What's the big deal with the Titan 2? Oh, you mean the next generation of Unihertz QWERTY smartphones? With that tactile feeling you love? You want to know the big deal? We'll tell you. The Titan 2 asks, how can you move forward without looking back? It boasts a brand new design featuring a beautiful subscreen, while keeping a classic aesthetic. It's a big deal because it has big features. Powered by Android 15, the Titan 2 has everything you love, like our signature tactile QWERTY keyboard, allowing for the fastest and most intuitive typing yet. And those keys can be programmed into shortcuts, so you can switch between all your favorite apps in a flash.
Hey guys, so today we'll be meal prepping.
And with all new 5G capabilities, your world just got bigger.
Hey, you're gonna be late.
On my way.
Because when you're on the move, you need a phone that gets things done. Stay on top of business with the Titan 2's pro features such as Bluetooth, NFC, an infrared port, and GPS. With Titan 2, you can take the weight of the world on your shoulders with ease. From French to Japanese to German, the Titan 2 supports multiple languages. And with dual SIM card access, you can keep a number strictly for business or for fun. Unlock your phone with fingerprint ID or the Face ID and get to access a big and powerful camera with a 50-megapixel rear camera, a 32-megapixel front camera, and even a brand new telephoto lens. You'll get to relive all your greatest memories through the 4.5-inch LCD screen. And with a battery that lasts all day and plenty of storage, the good times will never end. So, what's the big deal with the Titan 2? It's a phone that combines the best of both worlds in form and function, delivering vintage appeal and modern sensibilities. It's the phone that can move forward and look back. That sounds like a deal you just can't pass up.
I'll call you back.
Titan 2. Pre-order yours today.